Well, I've been with Star close to a year now. A friend of mine used to work for Star, so he referred me. He said it's a really good company to work for. So I went for it and I'm really enjoying it up to now. So looking forward to what's coming. We start at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
First thing you do is grab your paperwork and keys, and then obviously do your vehicle checks, which takes around 10 to 15 minutes. And then have a quick look through the paperwork, plan how you're gonna load the machines, and take it from there. Obviously, being based in Luton, London is quite big route that you usually go to. London, usually central London, a lot of collections and deliveries around there. Or if you're coming up north, usually around Northampton, Peterborough, like today, or Milton Keynes and Bedford. So we don't have much driving during the day, but yeah, the planning is pretty good. So they try and keep us nearby. Well, our bread and butter is the Skyjack scissor lifts, specifically the 3219 or anything from Skyjack. And in terms of cherry picker booms, is anything from lift to lift, HR12, 15, 17, 21, 28. So yeah, they're mostly, but obviously we have other brands as well and other types of machines, but them two brands stay in and out. A good strong coffee in the morning is really important. Obviously, really important the night before, good sleep, and maybe some snacks. Good podcast. So yeah, stay focused on a long drive. That's quite important. Well, obviously safety. Take your time, especially when you're moving kit like we do. Really heavy stuff. Everything needs to be properly chained down.
Yeah.
Obviously experience plays its part, experience driving, and also, just need to be focused on what's around you and everything, because obviously we drive in such a heavy lorry, so
Yeah.
you can cause a lot of damage if something goes wrong. So
Yeah.
pay attention to what's around you most of it. Usually site waits, where you go into a big site and you have to wait, and sometimes you might turn up to a machine which is not charged and issues like that. But yeah, nothing really major, but yeah, sometimes you end up getting caught up in traffic, but that's just the usual stuff. Obviously being out and about, see different things every day, meet other people. Also, I really enjoy driving the machines, specifically the booms, the bigger stuff. It's big boys' toys, so
Yeah.
Usually spend time with my son, go out with him on drives, mostly playing with my son and spending time with him. Also, we sometimes end up being at work long hours, so that's quite important, spending time with your family. As I said, safety is really important. Pay attention to what's around you, and also, if you are starting, try and find a company like Star Platforms, which really values the drivers, their safety, the kit is proper, very, very professional. Try and find a good company to start with, and then gain some experience, and then take it from there. Choose what you want to do and decide for the future. I think it's really important who you work with and who you surround yourself with, because obviously you spend a lot of time at work, so you might as well just surround yourself with people you like.